is a prove the identity. So number 73 is written right here as cosine squared 5 of x minus sine squared 5 of x equals to cosine 10 of x. Now we must prove this. So to begin it, we remember the formulas for lowering powers. The formula for sine squared of x is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x over 2, and the one for cosine squared of x, cosine squared x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. So when we plug in our information from the above equation into these formulas, we get that cosine squared 5 of x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2 times 5 over x over 2 minus sine squared 5 of x, which equals to 1 minus cosine 2 times 5 of x over 2. Now when each of these pieces are evaluated, we get that 1 plus cosine 10 of x equals 2, and the other side we get 1 minus cosine 10 of x over 2. And when we break down each of the pieces into divisors by 2, we get that 1 over 2 plus 1 half cosine 10 of x minus 1 half minus 1 half cosine 10 of x. And the first 1 halves from both pieces of the equation cancel out, and we are left with 1 half cosine 10 of x minus 1 half cosine 10 of x. Now we distribute this minus sign into the right side, and it becomes positive. And it becomes positive. So next we add both of the sides, and we get 2 cosine 10 of x times 1 half. And when we multiply this and divide it, we get 1. So in the end, it equals to cosine 10 of x. So when cosine squared 5 of x minus sine squared 5 of x is evaluated, it indeed does prove that the left hand side right here does equal the right hand side of cosine 10 of x.